Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add an animation to the Shopify Add to Cart button. First, access your Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. Just click it. This opens the Themes page. Find your current theme. Click the three dots, then select Edit Code from the menu. This opens your theme's file page. In the filter box, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This contains all the styling code for your store. We'll scroll down to the very last line of this script. Just keep scrolling to the bottom. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 more lines. Now we'll go to host2b.net. The link's in the description. There's a button to copy the script we'll use. Just click it. The script is copied. Back in Shopify, paste our code in the blank line. This code activates the animation on the Add to Cart button. On the top right, you'll see a Save button. Just click it. Changes are now saved successfully. Now on any product page, you'll see the Add to Cart button is animated. This draws more attention, encouraging customers to click and shop. Hope this video helped.